And so now, the results of the following, I would like it to be displayed on my dashboard. So it would look like this. From here, I will drag my mouse all the way down here in the plus sign. I will click here and rename this, right click, rename it as dashboard. Then enter. Now, notice that I want my dashboard to be before reports. So I will click on this, don't release your mouse, and drag it here. So there, dashboard is already before report. Then from here, on your dashboard, you go to insert the shape. I would use a polygon that is a rectangular rounded corner. Create it here. And then make sure it's highlighted. I go to the formula bar, start with an equal sign, because basically all formulas starts with an equal sign. And then I would drag my mouse all the way down here and click report. And then go to the counter where I would like to be displayed on my dashboard. So the first shape would be iPhone, and that will be found on cell G2. So this number 2, I'd like it to be displayed there in the dashboard. Click on it, and notice in your dashboard that the sheet reference is there, name of the sheet, and the cell reference that you want to be displayed. Then after this information or this formulas is already there in your formula bar, click enter, and then you would see it automatically goes back to your dashboard file, and number 2 is already displayed there. You can also edit the number. Let's say it's too small, but you have to make sure that you have highlighted it. So click on it, and then you could change the font face, okay, font size, enter. And then you could also change the alignment where you would like to have the number displayed. So you would put it there. I think I would change this one. And you could easily pull this one, pull the sides as well to adjust the size. And okay, once you are satisfied with it, you could easily click your mouse and go to any of the cell. Now we need to identify what is this number 2, which information is this number 2. So we go to insert, go to shape. This time we're going to insert a text box. Create a text box here, and this number 2 is about iPhone. So I will type here iPhone, and again we could adjust the font face. So let us say I will have it Arial, and I'll make it a little bit bigger, 12. And then the color, okay, I will have it automatic black. And then alignment is there. I could click it centered, and then I would like to add, like for example, the background. I would click on the shape that I would like to add a color background. So I will have, let us say I will make this green. There you go. Now if I want to add a color background of the polygon that I have inserted earlier, same procedure, just make sure that you highlight it, and then you click the fill color tool and choose which color that you prefer for this information box. However, if you want it to be more personal, you can click more colors, and from here you could have custom choices. So let us say I want this one, click OK, and notice that the color has changed. So now we're going to create the other buttons for your dashboard. So we go to the original one, we copy and then we paste the same shape, size, so it will be identical and it will be nice. Then go all the way up to the formula bar, and then it says here G2, so we have to go back to report and check which cell are we referring now for the third button. So it's going to be Nokia and it will be on G4. So it's going to be G4. So you go back to dashboard and you could write here G4. Change it to G4 and then enter. So you could see automatically it adjusts. And then for the name, again, refer to the original one, right click, copy, and then paste. Oops. Copy, and then paste, and then just overwrite the name. So this would be Nokia. And if you like to change the color or the text, you could simply do it from here. And also the alignment. For the fill color, there is fill color, and also the font color is also there. And for this shape, you can also edit the font fill color for this shape, and also the font face, as well as the font size.